Ready? What if you hit wood, bro?
I think I did.
Did you?
I went to the whole fucking wall.
I want to do it.
Fucking hurt your wrist.
Yo, it's a truck horn.
Oh, nah, you ain't pulling out in front of me. Come on, way, boy.
Bro.
Get my squeaky back here. Damn. No turn signal.
Where's the leak, ma'am?
Have a turn, buddy.
Woo! Gonna add a camera kit. Hey!
Let me throw the hat off, you ready?
That mullet going crazy.
Bro, why you,
I'm hitting that bit.
where you going?
Hitting that bit. That's what I'm doing.
Hey, yo, you trying to carry that big red toolbox over here?
There he is! There's my favorite white boy!
Brody just,
Oh my God, Kobe.
bro.
You might need. I got some fishing line in the truck.
What the fuck I need fishing line for?
I'm gonna run
So,
it through.
you may develop a
Soda?
scar.
I was fucking.
Hey, let me get.
You
Well,
think
I'm
I
running
should
my
go
hat.
and
Listen,
see if it's? I don't think it's stitch worthy.
Nah.
it'd be fun though. I mean, I can practice on you.
No anesthesia, nothing.
I'm just taking a fish hook.
No numbing.
I mean, honestly,
I'll give you a blunt.
does it hurt?
No.
Well, if it don't hurt, I think you should keep working on
Look,
the car.
look. Don't smoke some boombastic. Come outside when you're
Oh
ready.
yeah, go tell you go in
run
go in
you
there
up,
to your
buddy.
mom and be like, Mom, I'm hurting. Can I get some?
Can I get some of the good, please?
I wonder if that's stitch worthy.
No,
I don't know. Let me sit down.
Yeah, let's go.
Mama. Cardi, where you at?
Stop.
I'll talk to you later, okay? Thanks, lady.
Bro, I thought she was playing Call of Duty.
I love you, bro. Take this. Alright, I'll see you.
What? Ew, don't, ew.
Hey, you, hey,
Ow.
hey,
Don't
y'all
come
have to
near me.
Hey,
y'all have to step out of here, bro.
hey,
Right now, right now.
Oh.
hey.
You just got stamped right there. Oh, damn.
Beat out! Oh, beat out!
You just gonna bang?
Uh,
Oh my God, what is that? You got AirPods?
oh, look at that speaker.
I smell. What is that, bro? What is that? What is that, bro? Ah! What is that? Go. Yo, what is this? What is this?
Get out.
That's Coben's door speaker.
Oh my God, that's a Nonger.
Scar, baby.
That's a Nonger.
Petchy! What's up, Petchy?
You only got one of them?
One's in it right now.
Where's the other one? Is it already wired up?
Yeah.
That is the other one.
Hello, Coben. Sneaky daddy.
Hey, you want a ball?
No.
You want a ball?
Yeah.
Plates right there. Our bowls right
I
there.
need to wash my hands.
Are we eating outside?
Of course.
I am. I'm heading outside.
All right.
Is this a dog bowl?
No balls. Yeah, dog bowl.
Water bowl, not a dog bowl.
I'm not going to eat out of it.
There's another bowl in there. You don't gotta use it if you don't want to.
I like the silver. It's kind of blinking. Oh, it's kind of hot though, I'll tell you that.
Let's go finish the camber kit. Is that rainwater?
Is your sister still playing fucking Minecraft?
She was playing Roblox.
Oh. I get on there and pick up bitches.
Hey, put your shirt on that real quick. My hands are kind of full. Thanks, baby.
Well, what do you think you're doing, young blood?
Lift that bitch. Take my hat off.
Hey!
Take it off.
Alright. Oh my god. Harder. This is why they tell you to take your string off, but if you pull hard enough.
You mean to lift harder?
Yes.
Like way harder. Like 2 people.
Pull harder. Oh. A little bit more, buddy. He done went inside. Alright. Gotta go home. Bro, you're just gonna leave the jack standing all the way up? Hey. What you doing? Oh, they work now? I told you I didn't do nothing. Oh my god.
Don't get the back wheel!
Oh!
No!
I mean, you can't tell of it. You can't tell.
Can you not?
Nah, I'm on video.
Good deal, good deal. We can't be blowing that train on. I don't want to be fucking pulled over. Ooh, pretty zippy. Bye, baby. Oh. There's nobody in that porch. What are people talking about? Listen, listen, listen. Besides my goddamn brakes blowing.
Oh yeah, there they are right there.
I know I heard kids talking.
They were back there in their backyard.
Nah, let's listen. This shit's pumping.
They got quiet.
They better shut up. They better shut up.
All right, bro. I'll see you, bro.
See, big man, I gotta go. Look, I got them pieces. Look,
What pieces? Oh, the ones that he.
I got the pieces that go on it. I just gotta get it. Oh, there's my mom.
Hold on.
Yes, Mom.
No, it's 9:30.
Huh?
It's 9:30. It's full by.
I'm coming home right now. I'm already on the way home. I'm pulling out his driveway now.
No, this won't happen.
Huh?
This won't happen. How about it happen?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you know, but yet you know.
Bro, why is she so mad?
I don't know. Alright.
It's only 9:30. Like, we're not fucking 10. All right, man. All right, bro. Well, go ahead and back out of here, cause oh my god. Hey, hold on. Let me shut your tailgate.
Huh?
Let me shut your tailgate.
Oh, my jack's back here.
Yeah. He done said he was gonna get on it. Oh, there he goes. Oh my god.